And then this one has a drawstring, so you can pull it and it'll tighten the wig without you having to do. Welcome back to my channel. So new wig today, and this one is from OMG Hair. So this wig is supposed to have a brand new cap construction. It's called a 3D dome cap, and I believe it's the one that I've tried before with the fitted mesh, but it has some upgrades to it. So I'm going to show you guys what the inside of the wig looks like and the entire cap construction before I put it on. But this is a 100% glueless wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and you're just supposed to be able to put it on and go. Of course, I'm going to do a little melting for it myself, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like fresh out of the packaging, and then we will do everything else. So the wig is a brown color, and I got it in 12 inches because I wanted it to be short, because y'all know it's getting so hot outside and I'm getting tired of stuff just being on my neck. So I wanted something that was going to be short but cute and easy that I could just throw on. So this is what it looks like fresh out. Oh, it has tiny ass knots in the whole thing. Oh my gosh, I like that. That's crazy. The knots in, like, usually the knots up front are smaller than the knots in the back, but the knots in the back are smaller than the knots in the front, but the knots in the front are single tied, so they still look really good. But this is what it looks like. It has super tiny knots throughout the entire thing. I really like that because it makes it less dense up here. I hate when the frontal part is super thick. So I love that. So let's go ahead, put a wig cap on my head. I'm gonna take this off and show you guys what it looks like with me doing nothing to it. So this is also an 8x6 cap. So you get 8 inches going across. So it's like in between a regular closure unit and then a regular full lace. So you just don't get like this much. You don't get the side parts or like the sideburn area, which I don't mind because that part annoys me anyway. But yeah, and then you get 6 inches going back. So I'm gonna flip it inside out to show you guys what the new cap construction looks like. So the cap is a mesh material and it has some stretch to it, so it's definitely more breathable than a regular wig. It also has these little grips around the band to keep the wig from sliding. And then this one has a drawstring, so you can pull it and it'll tighten the wig without you having to do the elastic band method or having any other type of situation back here to make the wig smaller. So I like that, but I wonder if this is going to be annoying. But yeah, I like that a lot because you can size it to your head. And then these are also removable. You just go ahead and snap them bad boys on or off. Not sure how well that'll hold up, but I like that you can take them out. And then this is all of the lace space that you get. You also get these little ear cutouts right here, I guess, so that the band is not sitting on your ear. You know, sometimes the wig is right above your ear and it gets annoying. So this little cutout is supposed to be for your ear to rest. So that's also new. Kind of cool if it's in the right spot. Okay, so now that we got the details of the wig out of the way, let's go ahead and just put it on. Still haven't done anything to it. So I just used the comb and it didn't feel like it was going to come out. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to just pull the little elastic band in the back. I mean the drawstring. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that a lot. So it makes the wig a little bulky in the back, but when I say it makes it fit, like I don't have a wig grip on, I don't have anything on, it flattened it out a bit more right here, and this drawstring, y'all, made the back fit so good. So I think I would still need a small cap, just because it feels a little bit, big in the back. But other than that, I really like that drawstring. And the lace looks really good. The knots look really good. This is it fresh out. Okay, now I'm going to fix it up a bit and show you guys what I would do to make it more seamless. And then I also want to try this Mia Organics mousse as a melting mousse for wigs because it's super sticky. It's like the stickiest mousse I've ever tried. And I want to see how it melts a wig. I don't have that much in here, but we're going to see. Okay, so I'm going in with my Perfect Line in the shade 10, like always. But I don't even have the blow dryer plugged in. So I think I want to do a side part too. So I'm like, if I flip it, what side would this be my side part? So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Tresemme serum while it's on the wig head so I can straighten it, and it'll be a little bit easier and quicker for me than trying to do it while it's on my head.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't.
So I got the unit pretty straight, nice and silky. It's actually a lot of hair, especially for it to be like a bob. Like, it's pretty freaking thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to tint the lace a bit using, you guys know I've been using the lace tint by 𝐿𝐵�𝐻𝐵. This is in the shade light warm brown.
No, they don't, no, they don't know. Nobody knows but us, how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us.
So I made the lace a little bit too dark, like it has a little shadow, but it's okay because I feel like every time I put the mousse on it, it kind of takes away some of the color anyway. But I want to kind of cut this lace a little bit.
But us, let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode, you move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know.
Okay, so I have the lace how I want it. Now for the stickiness.
Nobody knows but us, how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking.
Okay, so I'm gonna let the band sit until it completely dries.
Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't.
Okay, so it's not completely stuck, but it's definitely melted in. Like, I have to pull it real hard in order for it to lift up. But this is what it looks like. So I actually want to go in with a tiny bit of melting spray. Like, this is not a balm, y'all. It's literally to make the lace like melt into your skin. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit on my hand. This is Red by Kiss. And just kind of tap it in. Especially because I made the lace too dark with that spray. I have to be real careful with that one. I'm going to tie it down one more time just for a few minutes, just so the melting spray could really set in. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with a side part too. All done, and this is what it looks like. The melting spray, y'all, like it really freaking melts. But this is the unit with the middle part. So this is what I mean when you have a little bit of your own sides out, which I don't mind. But this is it. That's why I put the perfect line right there.
Ma jolie, oh ma jolie. Ah yeah, eh. Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking.
Okay, love, so this is the side part. I think I like the side part. I always do this. I know I'm a side part girly, but I be trying to be a middle part girly, but this is what it looks like. I really like it from the side. Comment down below for me and let me know if you're a side part girly or a middle part girly. I try so hard, y'all. I try to be a middle part girly, but once I see the side part, I'm like, that's it. That's it. Okay guys, so thoughts on this new cap construction. I really like it, especially the elastic band. Like, I think that is a freaking game changer, especially for people with smaller heads. Unfortunately, this one still is a little bit too big for me. If I would have got a size small and had that elastic band, like, this wig would be unstoppable. But other than that, the lace was good, the knots were bleached good. I love that there's tiny knots throughout the entire thing, and I really like this color. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next. Oh, and I want to show you guys, like, my ear really is in that little slit. So I think that's cool, and it's really comfortable. Like, you don't have to worry about the wig or the band or anything resting on your ear. It's literally the perfect little, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like the perfect little slit to put your ear in.
Wall up, lately you and I've been all love, all love. I don't know what's up with our love. I'll love you forgetting all about us, oh.